lazima tuingie kwa sababu siku watu walikuwa wanasema the place was very ilikuwa ni kubwa, lakini Konde Gang FC Burundi wa wengi kuliko sehemu yote. More than any Tanzania.
Yes sir.
Konde Gang FC Burundi ni kama shangwa. So the Relegation Stadium itakuwa ni hatari. So kama unanunua tiketi yako, basi when you see this, make your way and get a ticket. Sasa kwa na sukuru yetu ndio kisha bila sababu wote ndio mfumo wa tiketi ndio tunasubiri. So natumaini kila mtu atakuwa kesho. On behalf of Konde Gang FC, on behalf of Konde Gang CEO, we're going sana. And even super excited. So, what is the sound to show them? What is the sound? That's the interview push. Oh,
Jesse.
I'm trying to begin a coffee.
If you took your minutes and watch this, just know that you're part of the family. And you'll be alone to be. Nobody will love you, nobody will love your support. A lot of my boy dancers, your videos, just to see me and talking to you. So it's a blessing, and just know that I count you as one of my family. Nakusalia kama familia yangu, nakusalia kama unaweza kuweka pesa, nakusalia kama kama wanisho baadhi zinaacha kazi zingine kani yako na kisaidizi hizo. Nobody without you who's watching this right now. Nobody without you. We're not a recording thing. If you don't record it and send it to my family, I can't be on it. So I'm here because of you. You know how to stop. And what is that? The mapostezi wa kuja. Nimeweza kusema kumekuwa na accidents kidogo na hiyo ndio labda mimi hapa nani anaweza kusema kwamba au kueleza wa press conference kusema kwamba tufanye haraka Harmonize amechoka. Naomba nirekebishe tu. This is kutoka mbele ya mapostezi. Basi nimwambie yeye kwamba tufanye haraka, inawezekana watu wanasubiri sana hapa ili kama kama kuchoka.
Sana.
So I do appreciate you guys for waiting me. I hope that you have to especially when it's come to work. So we look at the video. So I apologize for that. We're going to ups and downs. We're going to move to the beginning of that. So far we grew, and let's put our energy together and we take from here. I want you guys to go and tell all my fans what's up, man? It's going to be crazy. Kesho itakuwa ni hatari. Siwaambie wala wote. Mwenye mzima hapa na full energy. Let's do this tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
You know what this is.
Big up, my man. Twagira dusabe imbere yuko nk'abandi bantu babiri babaza, dusabe Bankobu basponsorije cyane nibo bariko bagira na reduction ku bariko bagura amatike nabo bagire akajambo bashikiriza mu Kiswahili mu Kirundi.
aratuganije n'umuhanzi senga ariko kandi turashaka ko babwira n'abandi bamenyesha yuko amatike yo kwinjira muri concert ari amatike ya 10 francs bakobi inoti yahaye reduction yaragabanije ibiciro ku bice 30%. Sigura yuko umuntu wese kandi twatanguye kugurisha kugira ngo n'ejo mu gitondo udushaka kugura adotwegere mu bigo bya Bankobu adotwegere kwigishe biga hino murahazi abari n'isubi turashaka kwegera kwigishe biblique ya hospital murahazi kuri siège mu programme ya Bankobu kugira ngo bashobore kugira amatike yo kwinjira muri ku giciro kigabanije kuri 7,000 francs baje bakoresheje Bankobu inoti zabo n'abatuba basanzwe bose Bankobu inoti umunsi kubigurira tukabafasha hanyuma bitagenda neza ni ukuvuga ngo iki giteramo rero abatuganije